Welcome to All About Mars' Surface, the place where the mysteries of the red planet come alive in breathtaking detail. But let me ask you a question. What if the stunning cliffs you're about to see in 4K are not just rocks, but the last surviving evidence of oceans, rivers, and maybe even life itself on Mars? Unbelievable? Then stay with me till the end, because today's discovery might just change the way you look at the universe forever. Captured by NASA's Curiosity rover, these towering Martian cliffs look like something out of a science fiction film. But this isn't fiction. This is real Mars in unbelievable 4K clarity. Look closely. Every ridge, every shadow, every layer of rock tells a story written billions of years ago. A story that scientists believe could be the key to unlocking Mars's watery past. These cliffs aren't just giant walls of stone. They are time machines, preserving secrets of how Mars transformed from a world that may have looked like Earth into the barren desert we see today. Here's the fascinating part. On Earth, when we study cliffs or canyons, every layer reveals something. Floods, volcanic eruptions, ice ages. Now imagine the same story written into the cliffs of Mars. Scientists believe that these very cliffs once stood beside flowing rivers and massive lakes. The rocks may even carry the fingerprints of organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Think about that for a second. Could it be that these cliffs are holding evidence that life on Mars? Let me pause and ask you something. Do you believe we are truly alone in the universe? Because when I look at these cliffs, I don't just see lifeless rocks. I see the possibility that long ago, Mars may have been alive, with rivers, lakes, and maybe even organisms too small for the eye to see. If that's true, then these cliffs aren't just natural wonders. They are silent witnesses of life's greatest mystery. But here's the twist. If water once roared against these cliffs, what stopped it? What force stripped Mars of its atmosphere, its oceans, and its chance for life? And could that same fate one day threaten Earth too? NASA knows how important this is. That's why Curiosity continues its mission after more than a decade on Mars. It studies these rocks, it photographs these cliffs, it sends back priceless data. And it's not alone. Perseverance rover is already collecting samples that one day might be returned to Earth. Imagine holding a Martian rock in your hands, a rock that might contain signs of alien microbes. Now, think even further. One day, humans could stand at the base of these cliffs, drilling into their layers, searching for fossilized life. Could these cliffs be the very place where humanity's greatest discovery is made? You're standing on Mars. The sky is tinted pink. Dust storms rage in the distance. And before you, rising like a giant fortress, are the ancient cliffs. Billions of years ago, waves may have crashed here. Rivers may have carved these walls. Today, they stand silent, waiting for us to decode their story. Are these cliffs monuments of a dead world? Or are they messages left for us, whispering, life was here. Life could be here again. So what has curiosity really given us? Not just stunning 4K views of Mars's cliffs. It has given us a window into time, a chance to see what Mars once was, and perhaps what Earth could become if we don't protect it. And maybe, just maybe, these cliffs are not silent at all. Maybe they are screaming at us. Don't stop searching. The answers are still here. If this journey through Mars' ancient cliffs blew your mind, then hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to All About Mars Surface. Because the next discovery from Mars might not just be history, it might be the future of humanity.